I say, let the party begin. Okay, sige na clown. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Ayan, so it is my pleasure, my pleasure and honor to introduce to you. But first, I would like to ask everybody to please stand up. Ayan, everybody please stand up. Then up on your hand, daddies, especially to all the kids, together with her mom, our seventh birthday celebrant for today. Please welcome Micaela Shalom. Hello, Micaela.
Ano yung ano niya, oh? Yung maging panalin na ito yan.
Parang para kay Micaela. Beautiful girl.